10 most dangerous trees in the world. Number 1. Gympie Gympie. A sting on a Gympie Gympie tree is more painful than a sting of a bee. It's usually found in rainforests in the northeastern region of Australia. You will be at risk of a severe allergic reaction as soon as you touch it, and only steroid treatment can provide relief. It is so dangerous that it causes severe itching and pain, which feels as if someone is giving electric shock while burning with acid. Hence, it is also called stinging tree. Number 2. Suicide tree. Cerebral odalium tree is popularly known as suicide tree. It's commonly found along the seashore swamps of India and Southeast Asia and in the Kutch region. If someone eats the poison ingested in one of its seeds, then the victim will get a burning sensation in the mouth and will have severe vomiting, irregular breath, and palpitations. He'll faint and then eventually die. Number 3. Bunya pine. Huge size bunya pine is found in Queensland in northeastern Australia. Their cones look like a pineapple, but they're quite big and heavy, even up to 6 kilograms, and larger than a human head. If it falls on any passers-by from so high, it can make the person unconscious or even kill him. For public safety, fences are erected around these trees to protect the tourists from such mishap. Number 4. Milky mangrove. Mangrove is a unique tree that grows across reservoirs. But one species, Exocaria agaloka, which flourishes in Bangladesh, India, and Australia. Milky mangroves and blind your eye mangroves are the most popular. When its leaves break, the milky fluid leaks out of it, which causes a severe itching and blisters on touching. And if it gets in the eyes, a person can become permanently blind. Number 5. Oleander. Oleander is a small tree grown in a domestic garden. Its flowers are white, pink, red, and yellow, which are used for decoration. Despite being beautiful and aromatic, a part of it is deadly. It contains toxic substances. Eating any part of oleander can cause moderate or life-threatening symptoms such as skin rashes, vision problems, confusions, imbalances, fainting, and laziness. If left untreated, it can eventually lead to serious illness or even death. Number 6. European yew. European yew, or English yew, is also a dangerous ornamental tree. It's found in many parts of Europe and Asia. These trees can grow up to 100 feet high. Except fruits, in other parts there is a deadly substance called taxin. Those who consume it do not see any symptoms, but they die in a few hours. If symptoms arise, they are dizziness, chills, weak pulse, and finally fall. Although the pulp of its fruit is harmless, but the seeds are poisonous. Number 7. Strychnine tree. This tree has many popular nicknames such as Nux vomica, poison nut, and Quaker buttons. It's a deciduous tree full of poison, found in India and Southeast Asia. It contains strychnine, which is highly toxic. It affects the nerves and muscles. It causes sudden tetanus-like cramps. If 5 milligrams of it is injected into yourself, it causes constipation, restlessness, painful cramps, and difficulty in breathing. Rather, death can also be caused by suffocation and fatigue. Number 8. Sandbox tree. The sandbox tree is a tree that acts as a life-threatening grenade of nature. This tree is identified by its deep brown spikes from top to bottom. When its fruit ripens, it suddenly bursts and throws its seeds 40 meters in every direction. Its edible brownish green fruit can cause severe symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, or even blindness if it comes in contact with eyes. Number 9. Angel's trumpet. Its bellflowers are great for furnishing gardens, but its venom can make you go into a zombie-like state by erecting terrible hallucinations. According to the American Journal of Psychiatry, taking this plant inside the body causes fever, insensitiveness, anxiety, and persistent memory disturbances. In extreme cases, the victim may also die of paralysis. Number 10. Manchineel tree. This is also called Manzanita della Morte, which means little apple of death. Every part of this tree is very dangerous, and dangerous signs are put near it to warn people. Its white milky extract is so pungent that just a touch can produce severe spots, terrible dermatitis, and painful permanent blindness. In the rainy season, every drop that touches it can turn into acid, which can burn if you are standing below it. Eating it can cause disturbances in the intestines of the stomach and can also cause blood leakage and blisters in the mouth and throat. It can be fatal for you in large amounts. All these dangerous characteristics make it in the Guinness Book of World Records as the most dangerous tree in the world. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.